Yo, delete the girl picture. Wait, guys, before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Dre and Trish YouTube channel and show them some love. Tell them say Andrea send you. For everybody who know Dre and Trish knows over there festive. Them do pranks, challenges, every little thing. Go over there, tell them say Andrea send you and help them to grow. I'm gonna put their link in my description box and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Click on the link and go over there, go check out them channel. Let's get into this video. Guys, if we look sleepy, it's because it's late in the night and we just try pull one, what you call that, when I stay up late, forget stuff done.
Work. All nighter.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and tonight, this morning, I'm here, babe, I'm almost morning. I'm here with another video. People say, Andrea, Reza, one always I do video when I don't want to sleep, especially Jason, and it's always me, like, me always choose some bad timing for me to do one video, but, anyways, this story time is basically me talking about the first time I ever searched Jason's phone and why I did do it.
Wow.
And what I did see and how it did make me feel. So back in, forget about the year, so I think it was the first when me and when me and Jason did just start off. I'm not gonna lie, guys, as Jason put on him phone to me, my gun feet.
Because they're a phone technician.
As him shutting me eye, but just go like this. Wave me and cross him face. When I see him knock out me, I said,
She was so yourself.
I said, this is the moment.
You know some catch you that one time?
Whatever.
No, that's how I know some catch you already do that one time.
So I think that with it now.
Because I never care.
Anyways, or when I normally, thank God when they stop do that, because I never did trust that method there. When I used to start do, I wait until I see him go like this. I say, he gone.
I see when they do that and everybody asleep. Okay.
Anyways, so when me and Jason did just start out, me now like guys, Jason did wild and I wasn't about that. Me now say me come in nobody life like, you know, change up how them look on stuff and change up how they look on life and you know, that I never did the aim, but me did really like him and me I say, you know, the relationship here that go on cause we can't reason and you know the chemistry just did it. But anyways, Jason did well and me did always I hear stuff like him, but him a volleyball woman.
That's a lie.
Yes, me did always I hear stuff.
In there lie on me.
Come on, mosquito. Jason phone did I want hotline. You see it ring now? I can't say it no ring more now, you know. But Jason phone a hotline. I can't forget that little Samsung Galaxy there. It ring every minute. Message coming every minute. And me I tell you, every time Jason get one message, my anxiety chipping. Me did I come out of one relationship and me I say, you know what? I just now want to go back in a relationship where nobody go hurt me and you know me did over that. So me I say, yo, that boy I go play me and me I say, this is not it. I'm not about this life. Me need somebody who me go call my boyfriend and me not go share him, but at the same time me willing to help him like stop this certain stuff because me feel like say even though I know our responsibility for like, make them act like a man, but at the same time shit not babe. But at the same time, you know, you must be willing to help build a partner. Whether it's me, him, help them to turn them into the person where you really want them to be. You have to give them time at that. You can't just get up and jump into it like, yo, stop do this, stop do that. So me never did I go tell him to stop the certain stuff, but me make him want me to the point where I go willing to stop the certain stuff. I know everybody have them different methods how they go about doing stuff. Listen to my story. Anyways, it did get worse. May I tell you, and then Jason did go do this viral video. I can't forget the eyeshadow video. And me I tell you, Jason phone now go crazy. And me I said, I can't do it. I think when we used to go over there,
I'm going on my phone every time,
Jason did the viral video and him phone did a blow up and stuff like that, and people they love him. And I remember him did have this one expanding back where she just nah, she not care what Jason tell her. Say, she not care what Jason tell her. Say, like if Jason said done, she not care. Like she want him, she still want to be with him. If Jason post me,
the power of the stick.
Whatever. Jason would have tell her of how much time and she not leave. She still a send pictures, She just all over and she wouldn't leave. And Jason said, babe, man a girl and in a nothing. See messenger. One day, I say, you know, I need to see what happened in that phone here. Even though it did bother me so much, I say, you know, I'm not going there. I did try to like have principle. You know, I did try to like respect your privacy. Me could have hold it no longer. But even if nothing never did up, because me this so insecure, I say, I just need to see what take place right now. So one day, I go over Jason and we did our little stuff, and Jason got bed and left the phone on the bed.
Stuff, what
a little thing. And Jason left the phone on the bed. But then in my head, I say, why would I tell me in password if him no want me if you can go in and phone? Because remember from me, you just started off, I didn't have your password.
So exactly, so
that's the funniest thing.
Yeah, so explain.
But probably because, you know, probably at that time, I did paint the picture like, yo, I really don't need to go in your phone, and I prove so I don't need to go in your phone. So but it had killed me inside.
So you didn't paint picture?
Well,
no, be honest, because I never know.
Well, I would have called it so because I wanted to, but I just never did I do it. Nothing I love more than you're in a relationship and a person respect your privacy. So me did I try to respect his privacy because he always respect my privacy, and that's how I love.
So you did go in that phone that day?
That's the story. So I left the phone on the bed, I played music. Jesse used to kill me with extra lesson. Hey, extra lesson.
That was the truth.
Anyways, he left the phone and play, and me I said, alright, this is my chance. I got in there, guys. When I go in there, I see a picture for kill. I don't know what for touch. I don't know what for select. I don't know who for look upon. Girls just a
listen to you.
Girls just are sending them private part, and me I say, I saw it easy, and me and Jason I talk for so long, and me no want to send my private area. Let me I say, how them do it? And then me I say, no, and not just one girl, this is one different girl, because then we see brown, then we see black, then we see in between. Tell me, say me I tell. When me see it, it's like, even now talking about it, me I say, you know want me. More the stuff we are run through my head. But up on the bed and me I cry and me I say, why would I even hurt me? And then me I say, bro, I'm not even long enough. Don't even feel that way there.
No, but when them pictures they are coming though, them pictures they supposed to always on my phone.
No man, no, let me tell you what happened. I never got in a message. What I did was to go in a gallery.
Oh, them was before you still, nah, like.
No, remember we did talk about it. I'm a girl like this.
You said in private?
Yeah, because if we're together, let me tell you.
Ever send me? You send me?
Yes, I did. I can remind you who I remember. Okay, but if me and you together, trust me, I am not no boring girlfriend. And I can openly admit that I'm not boring. Like if you're gone somewhere, I'm spicy. I'm gonna spice things up and let you get it to watch. But me put on the phone before you come out of the bathroom, and when you come out, me kind of like I sulky up myself, and they ask me what happened. Me never tell her what happened. When we go home, me say me not gonna call her back. That's the first time I say me not gonna call her back. And when me go home, me text her and me not pay attention to the story, and you will hear, you will remember something. When I go home, I text you and tell us I reach home and I never text you in the morning. And I tell us I'm going to come over your house the day after and I never come, and that's the first argument. Because I did style you. Can you earn style you? Let me tell you, if somebody if you come over in the morning, because they probably did a worry like why my energy just gone down like that. But me tell him say mommy gone and me have to do this da 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 da. My mom was right there. I just decided to me not go, because one thing with me not allow man feel like do me certain stuff and get away with it.
You see, you end up styling me for nothing at all, because you style me for what me not pass.
You know me turn leech, because me not gonna stop searching phone. Me gonna search him phone every minute. So from there on, me in him phone. Me insecure, because me I say, yo, everybody love this boy, because before me and him start talking, every little female, like teenager going up, it always talk about this razor blade, and all the women used to love off Jason. Is that a lie? No.
People need help.
When I met Jason was very wild, and my main intention I never did for going in life is say, yo, drop that, because when you see in a life you have to learn how to do stuff, by the way. Because if me just come in your life and say, yo, listen, drop all of them ways there, you're gonna tell me lie. You know what? Because it's not easy, and I always put my foot in a people's shoes.
I'm gonna tell us if you cut. That when I tell you if you cut.
Oh, I think you say if you cut because you want to talk.
No, but I tell you if you cut, because I don't think it's smart for you and somebody just start talking, you start to make big moves and changes. And that's how it works. So I say, not only if you drop the bad side, you know, like somebody coming in your life, they want to change how you do it. That's not how it works.
And in a life, basically how you go about doing stuff. Because sometimes you're not even wrong, but the approach where you make is not
it's
good.
Almost like it wrong for real.
Yeah. So my main aim, I never did for go in a Jason life to say, yo, you need to stop this or stop do that. Me show him why him no need for you do that. That's what I did basically do. Me show him say, yo, this is not the right way. Me tell him what can happen from him doing that. Try to like help him, and him, to be honest, it was so quick. It's like him did willing to just drop certain stuff. You know, when you just been through it and you're used to it, it's like having S. No matter to you no more. Not saying it no matter, but you're just used to some stuff. It's not all about that. You see the bigger picture. Somebody coming in your life to help if you see the bigger picture. And that's what I did really want. And not only me helping him, because me never did perfect, but at the same time it was a help me to help you situation. I did come out of one relationship like probably almost 2 years before that, or going into 2 years, or 1 year plus. Just said that 1 year plus. And I not tell a lie, I did reach the point where I say, you know what, now we settle down, because as female we need to understand that, yo, this is a time to take a break for yourself, you know. But at the same time you need somebody to talk to, and especially when you're not ugly, man see and like you, and you never know what might happen. And that's why I'm not judgmental for females. I not support nobody talking about a girl that love money, man. I not support it, none at all. I not do that to females, because anything can happen. As a queen, I had S with 4 males, and me and Jessica end up talk 5. As a queen, 5 man that already. Me and Jessica left, I am 23, just saying. Me and God forbid, me and Jessica end up left, I am 23. You can't tell me something not to go do nothing. Me not to reach to 6 man. How can you dare to tell me that I'm 23? I'm gonna want love. And
I want man.
Exactly, love. Big old category. But you see, that's why you're not a judgmental for a female. The ears that they all talk to a certain amount of people, you say, Jesus, peace. Bro, you don't understand the situation, because me at age 23, you're not expecting me to just call it a day, right? So, no. And that's why I'm just, you know, I'm not perfect, but over period of time, I just try to like learn to understand people's situation somewhere, and learn to not be judgmental, because we tend to be very judgmental, we as a human being, and we don't realize. Back to the story, they searched Jason phone for a while. I realized that it never did carry on away. I realized that we did have feelings for each other, we did love each other, but the fact that me did always search his phone, him not search my phone, that was a very big problem. I was so insecure. Jason do videos, Jason did have to go up on the road go do videos. So, bro, if Jason go up on the road go do video, me I say, wonder if it's a video or not. And when him come back, mother say, yo, what, you know what I use me and I say, oh, the video go today, me can't watch it. And you know what? It's not good to do those stuff, but sometimes it's very good. You know why? Because I saw me did I read the message and know you genuinely are trying to like get people off of your back. Really. And that's something what me and Jason never talk about. We're not here with Jason. Man, as a man out there where we do stuff, of course I still have to watch them because I'm on them. And we are woman too and we slick. As me say, man can't watch female. No matter how good you be, you can't watch we. And that's just something to get out there.
Me have a good IQ because I don't.
But yeah, they still are reading message them and they feel guilty because one thing with me, when I see something I don't see, I tell the course to wash me. I don't know how to act. I will read a message now and say, I not say nothing. You say just come, just more talk to you. That's not me. I don't know how to hold it. I say, yo, this time work. This is what I really love. He want to reach out there. He want to aim for bigger than, you know, you did that aim for like everything what you do now. You know, that him did that aim for back then and I say, I just need to stop because it a mash up my meds really and truly. And sometimes, you know, when you get one message and the message don't come for you, you can really look away. Because me prove that in my life now, like, yeah, that's true. You have one mail we text and say, hey baby girl, what's up? And it not come up, and it's nothing at all. If you watch the video and this happen to you, know so sometimes you know to really overthink. Not saying stuff we not happen. As we as female, we follow we gut feeling a lot, but sometimes it's really nothing. Me not tell no lie because me have mail we text me say, hey baby girl, and me and this person are in a nothing. Phone still a blow up, and me say phone a go blow up. Him there all over the internet. He make videos where people are see. Him there on Instagram. Him there everywhere. Like it a go happen. Like no, me just say Jason phone and just leave it alone. I really not care, and I am proud to say I not search Jason phone for a very long time. That is not even part of our relationship again. Like I not see sense. I not see. You know, make no sense really and truly. So yeah, it's good when I can admit things where you used to do, but that story are like way back.
Oh, 3 years ago.
3 years ago. Or
about
2+ years.
No man, you know say, my man about 3 going up, because guess what? I say all of them little things that happen when we just start talking.
Yeah, because all of this take place mineralized.
Exactly.
I remember you moved, yeah, a long time.
I know about 2
yeah, because let me tell you, this happened mineralized and it happened for like, and yeah, it happened like for 2 months a mucker. Because you see, you know, every relationship is like a certain stuff. Our arguments them petty. I'm not gonna lie. Our arguments are like, bro, you don't even walk on them up with your shoes. Like, or if you even do that, and or if you even make the kitchen towel touching at the gravy and not go wash it out. Them they are our arguments these days. And when you just go in a relationship, of course you got every relationship have ups and downs. But when you see the bigger picture, I know say, yo, right there, so need a settee. There, so need a mat. We need a cylinder. We need 2 more teacup. When you start to realize them stuff there, you don't have no time for you to think about certain stuff.
Yeah.
You don't have no time for them stuff. They're not saying, you know, man and woman can't go out there go do stuff. It's good when you can balance your relationship, when you understand each other and not feel comfortable when you know say your partner have an understanding, and when you're gonna do your work you feel so comfortable doing it. When you know say, yo, I have a female, I'm a female understand, or I have a male, I'm a male understand.
The first part, it was so uncomfortable. Because,
very true.
Because like you would know I do the best at work and I try my hardest, because you know so when it just kick off, it was really hard. If it was a bit harder to come by me, I feel do a lot of extra stuff. Some of the stuff that we didn't even do back in our past, never did want to even do them. But me I try to do extra. Majority of the time it was nothing like what you have.
Majority of the times, I know not like what me I think. I'm not gonna lie, me have to really admit it. Because you see what it happened, you see, because me going on the phone and see the picture them from way back. And JC is a man like this. She's not delete nothing. just to have them from all. If
So, but me tell us, because me is not a fussy man. Because even though, you see, if I go somewhere, man, I don't know what's up on a new phone. So, I stay in a life, I can't have a bad fee. I don't call it lazy, I just call it lackadaisical.
lackadaisical,
You see,
yeah.
but I buy a new phone right now. Me now back up, me not chat for WhatsApp, you know. I just start afresh now because I can't bother. So that's the thing, me never, I not say, when I go through my little thing, me I say, yeah, me have some picture and memory. And say, but after a time, I couldn't bother to say me I delete, and it's me I go just delete everything.
I remember me, I did have one argument. And I said, baby, I need to get rid of these because look what them stop me are long gone. And if you know me, when it come on to female, I don't run them joke there. Like me we tell Jesse, say, yo, delete the girl picture. So me stay. You know, not saying him would do anything with the picture, but me don't want one next girlfriend have my back like that. Like, yo, why you don't have the picture? You know, so me we tell her, yo, get rid of that. Because even when me did see them, me did start to delete them, you know, because me I say, yo, this are from like way last year. We still have this I do. Me used to ask him them something like, we still have this, and I said, baby, me not even remember because Google did have this thing where it go over to Google Drive.
It back up.
Yeah,
so me just say, me never back up my phone, it just like, then the automatic back up there, but.
Because even when me I say to Jason, I said, me not even didn't know something after that. And me I say, you see, you need to spend time and do them stuff here. And yeah, but it never, most of the time, I never did like what me think. But you see, because me did a search the phone, and that messed me up big time.
Me get some big cuss out for nothing to back.
Yeah, but they insecure, I'm not gonna lie. And then, remember now, when I go on the road here, everybody talk about razor blade, you know. Oh, I'm cute, you know. Me I say, I'm baby that you talk about, you know. But now it's like, whatever. But look at us now.
TDJ.
Life really can change in the blink of an eye. But yeah, if you watch this and your partner go through the same stuff, just try to like refocus yourself. This is the end of my video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.